my name is Isaac Jackman and I'm a shoe repairer based here in Charlemont Street in Dublin. I repair shoes, all types of footwear, for all different types of people, and some people, like ministers, come in to be government ministers and they get their shoes repaired. And I suppose the talk at the moment is about trying to make the business more sustainable, and they want to obviously encourage people having repairs done, but we need to, or for them to actually look at the situation and invest into it and be helpful obviously to the industry.